Inspired by
Motivation.
Inspired by
Motivation.
Inspired by
Motivation.
Welcome to Inspired by AQ. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. Today is Thursday tips number 14, how to keep in touch. If you're thinking about this, I'm really talking about how you can stay connected with the people you love and the people you cherish, such as your friends, your family, your significant other. We're going to talk about 3 different things, so stay tuned. Number 1, use your personal device. Personal device is your cell phone, your smartphone.
Ultimate technological thing created by man.
The TV in your hand.
You may be thinking,
That's obvious.
but hey, let me speak the obvious for you. You can use your phone to call anyone you'd like, whether that be with a simple phone call, whether that be with a simple FaceTime, or whether that be using apps to connect you with people, such as Snapchat or WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, any social media. You can use that device to stay connected with basically everyone you know, as long as they have a device too. And if not, meet them in person. But practice social distancing, because that's important. We're still in quarantine. Remember that. Number 2, create memories. If you think about all the memories you make, remember to take a picture of that memory so it can be cemented in life forever. Pictures are important. So if you got a camera, take those pictures with your friends when you're with them or when you're with your family. Cement those memories and take a picture of this time. For example, quarantine, take a picture of yourself at home when there was quarantine so that you can remember it forever and be like, dang.
That was that time. We were in quarantine. Just had a great time, though.
Number 3. Never forget about your day ones. And I say your day ones, I mean your day one homies. Those people that been with you since you was a kid, or those people that been with you since you got to college, or those people that been with you since you were high school, or those people that been with you since you got to school. Your day ones. Or your family. Your day ones. Keep in touch with them. You know, those people will always connect with you even when you least expect it. Like, they'll call you up before you even call them up. You know, they'll do the 50% that you didn't even ask for without any question. You know, your phone will be ringing, be like, who is that? Be like, oh, it's my homie. Wait a minute. Let me answer. Yo, what's up, homie? Yo, what's up, dog? Yo, how you doing? I'm living good. Yo, man, how's quarantine for you, bro? Like, you gonna be down to hang out, bro? Like, yeah, man, I'll be down, bro. You know me. Yeah, link up, bro. Send the address. Got you. Keep your day ones close, no matter what, so you can stay connected, so you can be happy and you don't be sheltered alone, wondering why you have no friends. I hope these 3 things help you, because they're important. And if we go through recap, we talked about number 1, which is using your personal device to stay connected with people. Number 2, creating those memories, whether it be through photographs. Number 3, having your day ones, appreciating them and cherishing them. Keep those 3. They'll help you. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below how you think I did and if these tips are noteworthy. And please, stay tuned to more videos coming soon, such as the Friday Motivation. And also, share this to someone who needs it so we can get closer to 100 subscribers. Thanks for watching. Until next time, motivation through life experiences inspired by AQ. Peace.